For today's video, we will be going to talk about the best Samsung watch in 2022. What Samsung watch is the best? The solution is based on what you want from a smartwatch. For Samsung users, there is a Galaxy Watch for everyone, whether you want a gadget for tracking your fitness, an addition to your smartphone, or something that could save your life in certain situations. In fact, all Samsung Galaxy Watch models are capable of performing such tasks, but some are more effective than others. Some also appear better than others. The latest flagship is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, though you can sometimes get previous models like the Galaxy Watch 3 and Galaxy Watch Active 2 at a discount. Samsung has produced 5 editions of their wristwatch with a few design tweaks. The best Samsung watch today: Samsung Galaxy Watch. When the original Samsung Galaxy Watch first came out, it proved there's a real place in the world for smartwatches. It was the best Samsung smartwatch to date, marking a transition from the company's Gear smartwatches to true Apple Watch rivals. The best part? It came with epic 4-day battery life, blowing the competition away in terms of stamina. If you want a wearable that runs Tizen and can stay up with you for a few days, you can still get the Samsung Galaxy Watch online. It still has excellent specs like heart rate monitoring, GPS, music storage, and the choice of LTE connectivity, although it lacks features like ECG, blood pressure measurement, and body composition analysis like the more recent Galaxy Watch models. No other watch has a battery life as long as the original. Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. One of the greatest Samsung watches for those on a budget is the original Galaxy Watch Active, which is Samsung's most cheap wristwatch. In comparison to other Android watches that use Google's Wear OS platform, the first Galaxy Watch Active had a faster processor and simpler software that's changed for newer wearables, but is a testament to how much we enjoyed using this sporty-looking Samsung smartwatch. The built-in apps from Samsung, especially those are the fitness-focused, are more than capable of handling the majority of activities. Although there aren't as many app possibilities as, for example, the Apple Watch, there are still plenty to handle the majority of chores. You cannot detach your smartwatch from your smartphone since you lack an LTE option. Stick with the Galaxy Watch Active 2 or a later model if it is a deal breaker. Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 is still a worthwhile purchase, especially when you discover it on sale, as our comparison of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch Active 2 demonstrates. A heart rate sensor, GPS, and the ability to enable LTE are all included in Samsung's watch, which is compatible with all smartphones. Additionally, it has an automatic activity and sleep tracker. Whether you choose the 40mm or 44mm model, the Galaxy Watch Active 2's circular form has a pleasing aesthetic. This Galaxy Watch, which runs Samsung's Tizen operation system, also has other helpful features like Samsung Pay, built-in Spotify music, and heart health measures that consist of an ECG feature, which is often only seen in more expensive versions. Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, one of the most fashionable smartwatches available, even though it's a year older than the Galaxy Watch 4, is still for sale. You can leave your smartphone at home since it comes in 2 sizes and LTE versions. Navigating the Galaxy Watch 3's interface is simple thanks to the spinning bezel, and you can choose from thousands of watch faces to personalize the watch's display. Although the Galaxy Watch 3 has a shorter 2-day battery life compared to the original Samsung Galaxy Watch, it introduces more music storage, FDA-approved ECG tracking, and trip detection. Of course, you'll get Samsung Pay for contactless payments, and some good fitness features too, if you're not sure whether you should get this model or the newer one. See our guide to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 versus Galaxy Watch 5. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Prior to the Galaxy Watch 5, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 was the company's greatest watch overall. Notably, it has 2 distinct designs and pricing points to accommodate a larger range of consumer needs. The company's flagship Galaxy Watch 4, which starts at $249, resembles the previous Galaxy Watch Active devices. The classic version, which starts at $349, maintains opulent features like the real rotating bezel. The Galaxy Watch 4 detects heart rate, records ECGs, and determines body composition thanks to a 3-in-1 health sensor. However, other capabilities including ECG and blood pressure monitoring, if you live in a nation where it's available, are unique to Samsung phones. The only other drawback of Galaxy Watch 4 is its variable battery life, but if you don't mind charging it every day, you can make use of features like onboard GPS, an always-on display, superb sleep tracking, and more. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, a new skin temperature sensor, a more scratch-resistant display, and a longer battery life are all features of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. Although there aren't many differences between the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 4, the updates make what was already a fantastic device even better. As a result, it's the best Samsung watch to date. It's still a fair value, starting at $279. Despite the skin temperature reading not functioning at launch, the Galaxy Watch 5 has a lot of positive features. For starters, it performed well during our test, lasting 2 full days and charging from 0% to almost 50% in just 30 minutes. Additional benefits of Wear OS 3 with Samsung's skin include Google Assistant and improved compatibility with other Samsung devices. How to choose the best Samsung watch for you. Choosing the best Samsung watch for you doesn't need to be a hard decision. In most cases, it will come down to the newest Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, and Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. If you can still find it on sale somewhere, we'd recommend getting the Galaxy Watch 5. If you want to have a smartwatch with the ambitious Wear OS software and the most advanced health monitoring features, and you own a Samsung smartphone. But if you find the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic or Galaxy Watch Active 2 at a steep discount, they're both attractive alternatives that could go easy on your wallet. How we test the best Samsung watches. We evaluate Samsung smartwatches in the same way we evaluate all other smartwatches, by wearing them for a number of days and putting them through a number of standard tasks. We first observe how comfortably the watches fit on our wrist and how simple it is to navigate and see the screens, particularly in bright light. We also put the watch's sensor, including GPS and heart rate monitors, to the test. Which of the 6 Samsung watches do you like? Please share your thoughts in the space provided below. Please click the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to Fanscreens for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video.